Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video we will try to understand the OR logic in LS PLC. First of all, we will open our XG5000 software, and here we will take one input address, an example MX1000 we will be choose, and next we will take the function called OR logic. When you type the OR in the function block search, after you will be got this OR logic. Click OK and again click OK. But before OK, I want to show something in the help. What he says, OR logic input en means execute the function in case of 1. Input 2, input variables extend up to 8. 8 variables we can choose in this OR logic. Output en value as it is output OR result. It performs a logical OR on the input variables by bit and produced output out. Also have a, in you see the help, you will find also program example. In the ladder language also have, and in the binary also have downside. So click cancel and this will make it OK, and here we will now give the addresses. An example, we will take it here MW0 for an example, MW0 one we will be take, and second data register we will be choose MW10 for example. Any data register you can choose, that's nothing issue. And in the out we will take QW0, sorry, we will type it here, out QW0.0, and in the next row for the verify to this command we will take some open contacts of the QW0. First we will be take, and second we will be take QW1, and third we will be take QW2, and next we will be change the QW3. Next we will be choose the QW4. Up to 8 bits you can choose, but output I will be next. If you want to more choose, no problem, can be choose 5, and next you can take one any output, an example QX5 for example. And this program we will be first download into the PLC. First we have to be connect your PLC with PC, and again you have to be click it on the right, click OK, and your program will be start downloading into the PLC. Why not downloading? Because of have some error which is showing in our command. What's the error? Also you can see the error in the downside window, but we will correct it from here. QW0, if you write, it's okay. And now we will again try to download the program. And monitor online, you have to be first connect to your PLC and put it in the run mode, and after you can make it monitor. Now we will make this M1000, make it on, so execute our program. as I will put it here, the change the current value. For an example, I will put it here 1, and you can see our first input is on. And if for an example I will put it here 2, our second number output is on. And again if I put it here the 3, so after you can see that net 3 number is on, which is on QW0 and QW1. Why this 3 number, this 2 bits on? Now I explain you this 3 of the binary. How much binary? Because of this command is working in the binary. When you 3 is the means first 2 bits, not the third one bit. How is 3? Let's clarify with the Google. We will go to the Google and we can type it here, binary into decimal or decimal into binary converter. If you type, also you can take this website, no problem, and we will make it small, this website at the here, and the decimal. For an example, this 3 number we moves into the QW0, so we will check the 3 number of the binary, how much we will put in the convert, and you can see this is the first 2 bits on. As this 3 number will be moves in the binary, this 2 first bits will be on. And as for example we will put it here the value, for an example 4, and you can see third number bit is on. Why this third number bit is on? Because of this binary decimal 2, we will write in the binary 4. What's the meaning of 4? This binary 0 0 1 means this first 2 bits QW0 and QW1 1 are off and third number bit is on. And for an example 5 number we will be put in the binary, so convert how much? First bit will be on, second will be off, and third bit will be on. So let's try in the logic also. When we put the 5, and after you can see this first bit is on, second will be off, and third bit is on. So same as for an example we will write it here 6. So 6 of the binary, how much? First bit is 0 and second is high and third is high. So let's try in the command also. We will put the 6 here and again okay, you can see QW0 is now off, QW1 and 2 is on. You can see same like is here our answer in the binary 0, first bit is off and second and third bit will be on. An example, one more example we will check with the by 7. When you put the 7 of the binary is first bit is on, second is on and third is also on. So we will also write it in the 7 and click it OK. You can see our first bit, second bit and third bit is on. So this is the same way as your value will be type it here in the, for an example 8, when you type 8 the how much binary? 0 0 0 and 1. So we will type it here also 1. If you take this is when type your only 4 number bit is on, other 3s will be closed. Why this command used in the programs? When you make the logic for an example, for any process plant, somewhere this coming signal from the field, when the value from the counter or timer or whatever from the field value coming at the MW0 and MW10, for an example here 8 value coming and you need to this 1 bit only on. And for an example if you need to hear value 7 for an example, so you need to be 3 specific bits needs to be on. So when this value moves into the MW0, your 3 bits will be on. And for an example you here no need in the second input, this when you make it 0, this all bits will be off, and when you send the value at the MW10 for example 2 values when you set, so your second bit will be on. And again for an example you make it the right 3 number, your first 2 bit will be on. So the same two inputs you can use in the with one command, and also the body structure and this OR logic you can understand. This is MW0 or MW10, which values you consider after the behalf of this two data registers. One answer comes into the main data register QW0 up to 16 bits data. This data also, if you like to be see, I can show you. This is very long data. This is to the help, if you can see again this data example. No, here it's not any defined, but MW0, when you read the value, for example, this is MW0, this value when it's running, after you can see this value. Yeah, this is the range, you can see it here, range -32768 up to +32767, R0 to 65,535 up to value you can write in this data register. So any, for example, this value, for an example, cancel this value, I will make it 0, and this value we will make it the for 5, for an example, these 2 bits will be on. So hope guys you will be understand about this OR logic, how we can use in the LS PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.